The administrators now. Has Leo got the ball? Has the goat got his ball? Where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in. Another kick. He's lining him up this side towards the stands. So yeah, all the administrators, all the stakeholders, everybody, thank you once again on behalf of all the football fans to bring the GOAT himself into the India Tour 2025.
We can see the fans enjoying the GOAT, the god of football. We can see the shots towards the gallery.
Yeah, the ball was lost. There it falls down. The ball was actually lost on the top of the roof.
The greatest to ever play the game, standing with his brother Suraj and Deepal, surrounded by the love of Hyderabad. Tonight, the nursery of Indian football bloomed again. What a marvelous moment it was to all the fans over here in the stadiums. Even us in the commentary box, we are enjoying a lot to see the GOAT, the legend of football, the king of football. It's a fantastic moment to us also.
Totally. Suarez, of course, is his cousin. You know, that's so nice that he accompanies him every time, and he's also got his name etched in most of the national competitions that he's been a part of as Revanth Reddy. And of course, you know, huge support coming in from everybody to go out there and promote the game of football. And his tour doesn't, you know, just conclude here. It's just a beginning. He was there in Kolkata in the morning. Now today here is in Hyderabad. Tomorrow he's going out to Mumbai as well. You know, Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going to be there. And after that, of course, will be Delhi, as he'll probably meet the beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as well. So yeah, it's all there for the plans. Now what we see is the shootout that's happening between Messi All-Stars and RR9. I'm sure RR9 had 4